Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Semrush for keyword research targeting LinkedIn audiences. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Semrush website and log into your account. On the dashboard, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Type in a broad topic relevant to your target audience on LinkedIn. Press enter or click on the search icon to initiate the query. Once the results load, focus on the left-hand menu. Click on Keyword Overview to explore specific keywords. Input a relevant keyword that aligns with your LinkedIn audience's interests. After entering the keyword, click the search button to access detailed data. Review the keyword metrics, including search volume and difficulty score. Analyze the trends and related keywords displayed in the results. Scroll down to the keyword suggestions section for additional ideas. Consider exploring long-tail keywords that may resonate with your audience. To narrow your research, use filters available on the platform, such as geolocation and language. Once you identify promising keywords, save them for later use by clicking the Save button. Now, access the SEO content template to see how to use these keywords effectively. Paste your chosen keywords into the SEO template tool. Review the recommendations, which include relevant topics and backlink sources. Create content tailored for your LinkedIn audience based on these insights. Finally, monitor the performance of your posts on LinkedIn using the same keywords for ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.